Most architects and interior designers would avoid using the color red. It's unpredictable, it overwhelms. But then you come across a building like this, and suddenly you can't look away. At first glance, it's the color that pulls you in, a deep, earthy red that feels almost too bold for its surroundings of mountains and lakes. The building creates a tension between order and nature, and between warmth and rawness. And that is exactly what this building is all about. Because this isn't just a hotel. It's a bookstore, a café, a destination, all woven into one single architectural statement. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Before we begin, a friendly reminder, if you're not clicked on the subscribe button yet, do it now and stay in the loop of more upcoming design and architecture related contents. This building does something most hotels don't. It opens itself to people with a ground floor that is entirely public. A bookstore and reception flow into each other without a partition. A cafe with light dining spills towards the riverside. Anyone passing through the neighborhood can drift in under the colonnade and explore what this space offers. In the charming town of Aranya in China, we are surrounded by forest and lake. It's the kind of place people come to slow down. And right on the bank of the lake sits Author's Room Hotel, designed by B.L.U.E Architecture Studio for the brand IMAGINIST.
我叫青山周平，然后因为就是日语名字的话，青山周平，它其实是就青山周平就是中文的发音的方式。然后我是日本人，然后在日本出生。我们做设计其实是它是一个文化场所就是让人好好开心的、舒服的浪费他们自己的时间的场所这样的场所来设计的。
理想国是我们的出版公司的名字，那我们线下就是这个实体的书店以及咖啡厅的空间，叫做 IMAGINIST 理想国。在 IMAGINIST 理想国之后呢，我们有了 Author's Room Hotel 这个品牌，就是发展到我们现在的住宿空间，也就是我们广州现在这个店，就是书店加上酒店客房这样子结合在一起的一个概念。
The facade is a structure of 4 volumes stacked on top of each other in a warm terracotta grid. At the side, curved red copper panels wrap the building in fluid and organic form.
就是这种绿色和水，然后天空的蓝色这样的一个环境里面，我们希望它是又协调的感觉，然后又是突出的感觉，然后我们选了这个红，就是有点像饱和度稍微低一点的这种红色，我觉得那个感觉是非常融入在这种绿色、蓝色、水这样的一个环境里面。然后同时我觉得这个红色的颜色呢，有一点像红砖、老砖这样的一个颜色，包括土地，就是土的泥土的颜色。
Within the symmetrical structure, the architects added 2 double-height semi-outdoor courtyards, one on the ground floor and another on the 3rd floor. Strategically placed to break the repetitive rhythm, they make the spatial experience more dynamic.
就是其实这个洞呢，也是浪费很多面积的。就是如果我们不做这个洞的话，我们可以再做4个房间。对我们的业主来说是非常好的，他们的利润来说非常好。但我们就是不做房间，做成一个洞，就是通过这样的洞，它有一个风，它有一个光，然后它可以后面的连廊可以看到前面的湖边，所以它其实是建筑和自然对话的一个机会的一个空间，然后人和自然对话的一种机会的一个空间。我们这次用的是一个清水的混凝土， 是总体的一个结构。其实它的技术上它是可以有颜色的，比如说我们跟这个水泥布料一起混在一起的时候，我们可以放一些颜色。清水混凝土的技术，其实在中国其实还没有特别普及，然后农作的施工方也有限，我们做了应该2、3次或者3、4次的一个现场的打样，就是我们把整个建筑的一部分拿出来，然后在现场的旁边做现浇做几次的这个样板段吧。就是所以然后就是解决现浇的技术上的问题，感觉非常不一样的。就是早上的时候它是更浅一点的颜色，日落的时候的阳光的颜色会变嘛？那这个根据它的颜色，我们的建筑越来越红。
Step inside and you're welcomed not by grandeur, but by warmth. The reception counter feels understated, wrapped in textures that are raw, tactile, and quietly rustic. It doesn't try to impress you at first glance, instead invites you to slow down and to notice. Rows of lightwood bookshelves line the space, adding contrast to the rustic and warm color palette. Opposite, past a large courtyard with pockets of seating, the café and restaurant reveals itself. Placed deliberately at the opposite side, it creates a subtle dialogue across the semi-outdoor courtyard.
当然也有细节的原因，比如说我们也希望书店的比较安静的氛围跟餐厅的相对比较热闹的氛围，通过这种户外的空间隔开，做成2个独立的一个空间，也是更多是这个也是更多是功能上的原因。我觉得咖啡厅首先还是非常通透的一个空间。首先它的外立面的话，很多可以打开的一个地方，入口的地方的推拉门全部可以打开，跟刚才我们说的洞的地方完全是可以变成一体。然后我们窗户边上的座位区也是有些窗户是可以往上打开，就是全部都空间变成一个打开的一个状态。
Want to understand how good design works? Join our Design Seat membership program for $5 and get behind-the-scenes access, in-depth reels, and our exclusive handbooks that breaks down technical design knowledge into practical tips you can apply to your own home.
我希望我们的客人呢，早上起来的时候打开窗帘，就直接看到一个湖边的一个场景。所以我们做建筑设计的时候，其实是很快就决定我们的建筑是面向河边。所以我们做建筑设计的布局的时候，我们把18个房间，所有的房间都面向好的一个方向。
Beyond the public spaces, the hotel houses just 18 suites, each carefully designed to open towards the curated views of the surrounding landscape.
我们有一个最大的一个套房嘛，然后它是2个卧室，然后1个客厅，然后中间是有一个露台。所有的这个重要的书和阅读有关的功能都在一条线上，然后所有的空间都是面向最好的一个景。因为我们的理想国酒店的英文的名字就是 Author's Room 嘛，就是一个作者的房间这样的一个意思。就它是一个大的一个长桌，也是一个写作和阅读的一个空间，然后旁边有一个书架，所以这个也是强调跟常规的酒店不一样。
What also sets the 2-room suites apart from other hotels is how the sink is integrated into an open-plan space rather than being enclosed in a separate bathroom. This creates a more fluid experience, allowing natural light and ventilation to flow through the entire suite. The room feels more spacious and connected. Warm materials like wood grain, stone, red plywood, and concrete bricks are used throughout the interiors. The tactile quality of these natural finishes creates a welcoming atmosphere that feels both grounded and comfortable.
这个项目虽然它是一个酒店，也是餐厅，也是咖啡，也是书店，但是我们做设计的关键是怎么样让人来到这里，然后在这里就是有一些情感上的归属感，然后在这里很舒服的浪费自己的时间。
What makes Artist Room Hotel memorable is not just its architecture, but how it shapes experience. From its bold facade to the intimate interiors, every space is designed to slow people down and invite them to stay a little longer. Artist Room Hotel has become more than just a place to stay. It stands as a distinctive landmark in Aranya, remembered for its presence and experience. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture-related contents, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned for more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.